Hey y'all, so today I am going to be doing a Shop My Stash for my makeup collection. I want to do these once a week. There are eyeshadow palettes that I've bought and just never touched. And there are also other things that I just don't get in my rotation. Now my collection isn't that big, but I do feel like I have enough to be able to rotate through and play with some things. So the first thing I want to share is the eyeshadow palette, and that is what is on my eyes today. It's a very warm look, and the eyeshadow palette is the Tartelette Toasted palette. And I bought this, I think, last year maybe, when they were having a big sale, and I think I got it for like $30 or less. But this is what it looks like. It's got a beautiful warm color story, and I really love this palette. I used it today, and a lot of people complained that there was a lot of fallout with these, and that they were super powdery. I didn't experience that. There was a YouTube video I watched where a girl, I don't know her name, but she was showing how powdery they were. I didn't experience that with my palette, but mine doesn't have that much of a scent. I don't know if they messed up on mine and it didn't put that much of a scent. But I can hardly smell the vanilla chocolate smell that they're supposed to have on there. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. And I set my eyelid with S'more right here. And then I have Latte in the crease. And then I used Warmth, which is that really pretty rich orange shade. And then I mixed Cozy and Latte for the crease. Now Cozy was very patchy. At first when I tried to use it on its own to deepen the outer part of my eye. So I did have to mix that with Latte to help it out. And then on my lid I have Simmer, which is a beautiful orange metallic shade. It's right here. And I have Simmer on the lower lash line, and then Cozy on the outer portion. And I really like this palette. I probably will be reaching for it a lot this fall, just because warm shades are usually always in for fall time, warm looks, cozy looks, and this shade definitely screams fall to me. So I wanted to pull it out and play with it and get some ideas for some looks for this fall. That was the first thing. Now the next thing is this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and I've had this for years and I'm so surprised it's still good. It's pretty much brand new and I'm wearing it today. It is in the shade medium to dark, and it blended out like a dream. So when I finish my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer that I hit pan on, I'm going to really focus on this shade to finish it up. It worked great to warm up my look today. That is the second thing. And the next thing is this Revlon Candid Photo Ready Foundation. Now I only have 2 foundations in my collection, and I got this recently and I really enjoy it. It makes my skin look so airbrushed and pretty when I use a sponge. And I really like it. It's in the shade Ivory, and it's really good. I like it. The next item is Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and I got this I think I got this off of Ulta to hit the free shipping, and this is what it looks like. It's just a white powder. I used it today and it is pretty powdery, so I had to tap off a ton of product, but it did a really good job to make everything matte and set my foundation. And then I chose 2 NARS products for my highlighter and blush, and that is NARS Fort de France, and this is a beautiful, it's kind of like a deeper yellowy highlighter. And I'm surprised I can actually pull it off. I actually used too much today, but it's really pretty. I want the shade that's lighter than this. I think it's Albatross. I'll put it down below. But I need that shade for winter. This is going to take me forever to use up, you all. It's got 14 grams in it. That is a ton for a highlighter. That is a ton of highlighter. So that's going to take me literally forever to use up, which makes it worth the price. I mean, if it was your only highlighter, you would eventually use it up. But the next item that I chose is my NARS Erdem blush in Loves Me Not. And this was limited edition, and I wanted more from the collection. I just didn't have the money to spend on it all. It has the cute little plastic thing covering it, and I have kept it because it's part of it. And then here is the blush. Now it may not look like a ton in the pan, but this blush can double as a blush and highlighter. It's really, really glowy and really pretty. And I do have it on today, and I really love it. It's really, really nice. And then the last thing that I picked out is the Revlon matte lipstick in Dare to be Nude. Oh, no, there was one more thing. And this is what it looks like. It is a matte lipstick from Revlon, and I will show you a swatch. It's really creamy, really pretty, and it's right there on my hand. I really love it. I've really been enjoying matte lipsticks lately, and I just recently started getting into them. So, and the next shade is, this is one of my all-time favorite red shades, you all. This is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink and there's a hair, in Ruler, and this red is gorgeous. I'll show you a swatch real quick. Now once I put this on my hand, it will be on here for the rest of the day. And there it is with the Revlon. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous red shade, and I really do love the Maybelline Superstay liquid lipsticks. They stay on all day long. Now there are some issues I have, like if I eat greasy food, it will end up like on the inside of my lips, it'll come off, but around the outside it will stay on. So you do have to touch up the center part, but these are the longest wearing and most affordable liquid lipsticks I have personally used. So I recommend it if you're looking for a really pretty red shade. But that was my items I picked out for Shop My Stash this week. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'm going to start trying to come up with a lot more videos for this channel. I want this channel to go and grow, and the only way that's going to happen is if I upload more frequently. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for your time, and I will talk to you all soon.